Hey, my YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. This is Shantae with Shantae Bath and Body, and we are here today for an unboxing video of some of our new candle supplies. We're going to be doing this together. I have not opened the boxes at all, so we're going to be getting both of us are going to be going through this together, whether we like what we open or whether maybe not so much. Hopefully we like everything because I liked it when I ordered it online. So we're going to be doing a review today for Hive and Honey Candle Company. I have gotten some vessels from them as well as some of their fragrances, and we're going to be going through those together. Stay tuned. If you like this video, this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share it possibly, leave us a comment, and let's do this. Okay, so when I tell you that we are going to do this together, that's exactly what I mean. I have not opened this at all, so I'm just getting ready to open it now. And we will see. I was so excited when UPS pulled up. I was like, yeah, my package is here. Because I've been waiting on these. I don't have it all. It was shipped in two shipments, but we will see what we have in this box. So let me get this up out of here. It says fragile. Okay, let me pull this box out and then we will look at this. Okay, so these are the these are the containers, I believe. Well, I know they are the containers. And we're going to be going with two different types of containers this season. This is one of the containers. The other one is it's like this, except it will be bone in color. So like an off-white. We liked it. We thought it was nice online. So yeah, wow, this stuff is really packed. It's got a second box in there. Okay, let me pull this out. Okay, guys. One more box. One more box. Finally. Oh, here they are. Ta-da! Oh, these are adorable. These are really cute. Really, really nice. Okay, let me get this camera set up and we can look at it at a better angle. All right, so here they are. This is the bone china 13.5 ounce jar. Bone china 13.5 ounce jar from Hive and Honey Candle Company. Okay. I guess it's just a shadow make it look like. So this is what is inside. They have a nice little weight to them, not really heavy. Our old jars are a little bit heavier than this, a little bit bigger. Our old jars are 15 ounce, but these are going to be 13.5 ounce. I like it. I like it. Now, when it says bone china, it's not actually bone. It's not actually made from bone ash. It is like it's a simulated material. But it's not actually made for bone ash. So this is a vegan product. You don't have to worry about any animals or anything being harmed for this. But I think it's really, really cute. And then the other jars that we're going to use to supplement it are going to be this color. And we have lids coming as well. So I'll let you see those when those arrive. But I think they're really cute. I'm excited. Can't wait to make this into a candle, a test burn. I'll let you guys see it. Okay, so we took care of the containers. Those are a hit. Good job, Hive and Honey. Now let's take a look at the fragrances that I ordered from them. Now I love Hive and Honey Candle Co. I really do. I think they have excellent products as well as really, really good fragrance oils for candles. I really have, when it comes to candle vendors, I really have three, maybe four main companies that I go to for my candle fragrances. And that's going to be Midwest Fragrance Company. Candle Science is my other one. Hive and Honey. And then I have a few fragrances that also comes from the Flaming Candle company. So those are my go-tos. I have used others from other candle vendors, but I didn't like those. So I'm not even going to name the company. So our first one that we have, and I have this for the Christmas season. I usually have a peppermint swirl in my candles because people love peppermint. This is my first time, however, ordering peppermint from them. But peppermint is peppermint. I'm just, it smells like, oh, this actually, it smells like peppermint, but it smells like peppermint candy, and which is what I was going for. I like the peppermint candy smell. So this one is peppermint swirl. Smells like peppermint candy from Hive and Honey Candle Company. Really, really good. Like that one. The next one is a new one for me. Hot apple cider. I have never used this. I don't know what it's gonna smell like, but it had really, really good reviews. And I was looking for apple for my line because a lot of people like apple. I'm not an apple fan, but some people love apple, especially for the fall. So let's see what this one is like. Hmm. You know what it reminds me of? Like, and if you ever had this when you were like, it smells like hot apple cider, like an apple cider. It really does, and that's excellent. Oh my god, I love it! I can't wait to smell it in a candle. I don't even like apple that much, but this is really good. I'm excited about that. Hot apple cider, Hive and Honey. Good job, really good job. All right, next, warm sugar cookie. This was highly requested by our customers. This is a BBW dupe, and I love gourmand scent, so I know I'm gonna like it already. But I never thought about doing it until customers kept saying, "You got the warm cookie, you got the warm cookie, you got the warm sugar cookie." I'm like, "Oh, okay, let me get the warm sugar cookie because they really like that." Okay, so let's see what this smells like. Mmm. Oh, it does smell good. It smells like freshly baked cookies, freshly baked sugar cookies. Good job, guys. Y'all are killing it. Hive and Honey, really good. I can't wait to smell this in the company. It kind of reminds me of another one that I have too, called Spiced Donut, and I believe that's probably from the Flaming Candle, if I'm not mistaken. But it's really good. I like this. Ooh, you could. This is gonna be really good. Just have your house smelling warm and nice and sweet. Candles, I love them. I love candles. And I get excited this time of year because I love making candles anyway. And then I have to make a whole bunch in the house that's just lit up. And you can walk up to the front door and smell this stuff. Okay, last one I ordered from here. Do have another shipment coming, but that's for tomorrow. That's from Midwest. But this one is my eucalyptus and peppermint. Um, I'm a spa girly, and so I love all things spa. This kind of candle puts you right in the mind of a spa. I love the way it smells. It's so relaxing. You can't go wrong when it comes to mint. Any type of mint. So this is it smells so good. It smells like I'm walking into a spa to get a massage, and everything is relaxing. It's just so good. It's so good. You got, oh my god, Hive and Honey. Yes, yes. Eucalyptus and peppermint, spearmint. I'm sorry, eucalyptus and spearmint. So good, so good. So when you order from them, you get a certain amount. You also get a free 2 ounce. My free 2 ounce was the pumpkin pecan waffles. Now I actually have this one already coming from Midwest, but I wanted to see versus which smell the best. So I'll see. But just to smell it now, this is another one that people really like. Mmm. Oh yeah, you really get maple in there too. Ah, I can smell the pecans. This is a complex scent. Oh, pumpkin pecan waffles. I even get the bread notes. This is really good. This is really good. I'm upset I didn't get more of it. But I got one coming from Midwest, so hopefully it smells just as good. Oh, it smells so good. This is gonna be lovely, and I think I'm gonna make this in a candle as my, just to test for myself. Sorry, just for me. But anyway, so that's it for the Hive and Honey shipment that we got today. Come back tomorrow if you want to see that Midwest. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow. We'll make another video tomorrow. It doesn't matter. But if you like this video, if you like rocking with Shantae, Bath and Body, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. hit the thumbs up so we can keep popping up on your timeline. And join us for the next video. We're working on a few things. We're trying to get our subscriber count up, trying to get our videos going, and we will be making more videos real soon. Hopefully, I'm setting goals to try to do at least one a day. We'll see. I'll try. But yeah, go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, like the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.